everyone, and thanks for logging back on to my channel. This is a video that's showing another design of my formal living room. In this particular video, I have what I call neutralize the space. I've toned down some of the bold colors to create another look or another unique design. Anytime you do your home decor designs, you want to make sure that based on the space that you have, you make best use of your space. That's what I've tried to do here in the placement of the furniture. In this particular video, I have taken out the bold black color that I had in the previous design, toned it down just to the gold and copper, accented with white to neutralize the palette. I'm now, or in a later video, going to go from this design and transition into the fall colors. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button and you too can join Freddie King's home decor team. I would really appreciate having your support and having you as a member of my family. As I continue to pan this room, I'm just showing you the different decor items or decor pieces that I've selected to pull this design together. The base colors are the same as they were in the previous video. That's all of the fixed colors that will not move. That's the ivory couch, that's the matching chairs that has ivory, and all of the woodwork or wood trim in the cabinet, the coffee table, those things will not change. Those are what I call my base colors. The accent colors are white, copper, and gold. Those are the key colors that I've used, and always I like to add a pop of color and add greenery, and you will see that in the plants that's positioned in the corners. And with that, please enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out this video. Again, if you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Check your notification bell so you too will be notified of future video uploads from me. Until next time, bye-bye.